pressure kasi mumuna eh. Stop. Aside. So guys, ulit daw. Parang baliw, diba? Joke lang. Dami pa guys, oh. Boys pa lang.
Pasok!
Tatlo mo siguro. Tatlo nga daw ko rin masakit namin. Energy pa! Oh, bukas, malakas!
Nanto mandali tumbler. Go Donna!
Oy! Ay, kakapa! May naririnig siya na hindi natin narinig. Baka ano?
Tahimik siya. Bes, ano kasing tawag sa mga sa mga mother na kapag katapos oo, baka nagpo-postpartum si Baka nagpo-postpartum ka, Bes, kaya sinaktan mo yung anak mo.
Pasensya na. Anak ko.
Hi guys, hello. Hello. Hello.
Grabe syringe siya na.
Oo.
Isang turok patay at
Gusto mo matusok?
Sugit na.
Pag ipiyak sa'yo, di ka na magkakasama.
Hello guys.
Guys, live mo nang kayo.
Hello. Hi, Cha. Hello.
Putang ina mo, ano yan?
Ano ba to? Gusto mo matusok? Hi guys.
Wow.
Hi guys.
Siya ay tigas.
Naka-comment ako. Hi guys.
Ano yan? Di simahin ko yan.
Gusto mo?
Ala, balik mo na yung
Naiyak na naman ako.
Happy Kalingap Good morning po kay Bengan, kay Papa Nathan. So this is a yearly an annual activity.
Alert na ako, guys.
Mayroon kang pangarap yata. Pangalan ko, in the past, yung title nito ngayon.
Maybe this time, ano? Maybe this time. Maybe this time.
Idol! Idol na Tigil Gonna Stop Us.
At dance group po sa school. So,
Po, nandiyan po yung contact details namin. Cellphone number, pwede nyo po kami text, tawagan. And even our admission email, pwede nyo rin po kami email. And nandiyan din po yung FB page. Ako rin naman po yung sumasagot doon. So thank you everyone. And magbibigay lang po ako ng a piece of advice. I-take nyo yung course na gusto nyo talaga. Sahod or what, kung love na love mo yung bagay na yun, kunin mo siya. So, may mga students kasi na nahihirapan kasi, eto, yung Pampanga. Thank you everyone and have a good day. And advance congratulations po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much. Mukhang gising pa naman. Okay, for our next presenter, and from STI Colleges of San Fernando, hello energy pa. Hi!
Hello!
When I say how, you say Angela. How?
Angela!
How?
Angela!
Ayan, so, familiar ba kayo? Sino nakapunta kay AJU?
Gerald.
Meron ba? Nung university days, nakapunta ba kayo? Ayan, so ang papakita namin sa inyo is yung virtual.
Expensive. Maganda, maganda. May budget.
Para bang tatanggapin nila? Ayan, so...
Ay, haba.
Wala. Sorry guys, kasi maagang nagising si Jello. So, hi kayo kay Jello. So,
Jello, si Brent ba yan?
students ng Holy Angel.
Si Brent ba yung nasa loob?
In-excuse lang siya today kasi parang makita kayo. May friend
Cutting
siya
ka,
si
Jello.
Angela kasi hindi siya na-excuse today. So baka magtaka lang kayo. So ang usually pinakamadaming population sa amin is
Parang ang hirap paniwalaan na pag sinasabi kong enjoy sa college. Tanong, nag-college na ba kayo? Pero bakit ang lakas ng loob niyo sabihin sa akin na mahirap sa college? Dahil
Wala, yung iba. Bandang uli. Wala ka mag-phone. Then ikaw. Alam ka na. Una ka, bes. Una ka.
Wala ba kayong mga
Marinig ako. Makulala kasi Sir Joseph. Kaya ako marinig.
Joseph, your future business woman.
Yes. Masalong pa sila guys. Ano?
I'm Julian Davidson from Bob Joseph, your future architect.
Ayun pa yung kalat ka. Yung red baby. Walang makantaya ka din. Ako tutulas kayo. Kapali pa mo.
Good morning, everyone. I am Alden Henry Ahmad from 12 Joseph, your future contractor, calculator, alligator, civil engineer.
Alligator. Kurakot. Nayala ka dyan, Ray?
Good morning, everyone. I'm Richard Canas from 12 Joseph, your future engineer.
Ayun, makalive yung DJ dito. May kay nani yata.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Carlos Itaya from 12 Joseph. I'm your future electrical engineering.
Bakla!
Wala pa kayong mga kami dyan?
Gawa yan naman eh.
Good day, everyone. My name is Rafael Nash Pinison from 12 Joseph, your aspiring civil engineer. Walang muraco sa resibo, walang muso.
Mahal ka niya! Mahal ka niya! Wala ka!
Good day, everyone. I am DCL Guevara from 12 Joseph, your future pilot.
Bayo! Pati mas skateboard!
Hey everyone, I am King Alan Arbucheres from 12 Joseph, your future seaman. pleasant morning to all. I am General Santino Season from 12 Joseph, your future civil engineer.
Bye na guys. Ba't lalaki mo muna? Palang babae. Joke pa Raymond.
Now, let us welcome our students.
Tapos na yung step ka, Idol Joseph Garage. Hello, ano eh?
Kinakabahan ako. Good morning everyone, I am Raymond James Sabalawa, 12 Levi, and your future lawyer.
Ano? Rewarding. Wala mo na tamakuan ng kain na marami niya ba? Yan o. Mafia.
Good day everyone, I'm Shana Shriam Kanda from 12 Levi, your future skater.
Skater ni eh, in the future. So yun lang guys, tapos na yung sa amin, share namin. Thank you sa nag-video kanina. Stop ko. Bye guys!
In research. I give the floor to good luck to all students. Good luck.
Okay, pero bago muna tayo mag-award ng Best Research, pakipulot muna daw yung mga bote at saka kalat sa ilalim ng upuan na very visible dito sa harap. Okay, came from 50% practical research 2 and 50% TVL department. Our third place Best Research presentation goes to group number 2, Joshua.
We go on, Sir Christian M. Santos for the award.
Ito, kakaruglangan. Hindi ako kaya kapag gagugutom na eh.
Kibilis po.
Our best research group from TVL department goes to group number 1, Benjamin. And our best research for TVL goes to group number 1, Benjamin, to be honored at the graduation day. values. Decimal point lang yung difference ng research statistics.
Nash guys. Tingnan nyo sa salamin.
The best research statistics goes to group number 1, David.
Sino yan? Takot ako!
Award for most innovative. Number 3, David. Number 3, David. Most innovative output sa lahat ng academic strand na magagamit ng mga susunod na researchers and students.
Ano kayang output?
Now,
Ganda ng mata.
for our third place, best research. Our third place, placing lang. Pero yung best research, sila yung i-award sa graduations. But of course, to recognize the effort. We have group number 4, Jacob! Research to be awarded on graduation day. Our best research
Go tayo.
for youth strand goes to group number 3, David.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Congratulations. Si Adlawan, sir. Natamay na naman.
Step na, step na!
For STEM department.
Woo! Ay, oy! Oy, oy.
We also have the best research presenter as a special award for STEM department. But the panelists opted to award it only to 2 individuals. Our best research presenter goes to Rose Andre L. Salonga.
Congratulations, Rosay.
Another best
Nagsasawa na siya.
research presenter,
Eliza.
Radial Nash.
Ah! Loko. Napagano na. Ano?
Next award is given to this group because they do not have the best presenter. Because all of them are very good in delivering their research events. Kahit sinong piliin mo, they know how to answer according to the panelists. And the best research group award goes to group number 2, Levi! Hindi lang daw magaling mag-English. Ayan.
Naman! Arem! Sino yung leader dahil? Arem. Modern study daw. Na? Karina po study daw. Hindi ko alam. Kaya yata. Wala!
Yours truly, kasi I think they deserve to get this one. The best research symposium goes to group number 4, Joseph.
Oy, oy. Tayo ba yun? Doktor? Yan guys, nanalo po sila. Oh my God, congrats, congrats. Galing, galing.
That was based on my observation during your symposium, Sonia.
Galing, galing, galing. Oo, magaling nga. Maganda din mga palaro nila eh. Sala, may reaction. Reaction video to be.
Next award is
Deserve.
given to this
group because they had exemplary application, accuracy, and coherence of the statistical analysis throughout the entire research process. Sabi ng panelists, sa lahat daw ng tanong sa sinasagot nila, research data. So the best research is statistics. The best research and statistics award goes to group number 2, Liva! Sobrang linis daw ng papel. Parang hindi lalaki yung majority ng
Naman! Arem David! Oo! Hello!
Our third place, best research is group number 4, Joseph.
Ano yun? Yan guys, pumaldo na naman sila guys. Sana all. Kami. Ganda guys. Ganda-ganda lang dito. Saya pagkasin. One love, one soul, one people.
Our second place, best research.
Who do you think?
Magaling daw mag-defend ito, kaya lang mahina ang boses. Our second place, best research is group number 3, Joseph.
Congrats!
For the best research, walang nasabi ang panelist na comment sa mga ito kung hindi positive. Lahat positive. Wala mang nasabi na malamya yung grupo na ipinasa sa isang member dahil lahat alam yung pasikot-sikot ng research. And I remember in one of the deliberation that I had with your panelists, tinanong daw sila, clue na to ha? Bakit written words? Sumagot daw ang best research group na to na dahil sa statistical data nila. And the best research goes to group number 2, Viva!
Loko, kasaya ng Arem.
Ito, bawat slides nila, meron silang statistical data as an explanation for their research output. Kahit hindi po typical data, congratulations to all the winners.
Yes! Congrats guys!
And now, for the second
Win!
Expertise, fairness, and dedication
Yeah,
bring
maging vlogger.
to the success of this meaningful event. Through your guidance and thoughtful evaluation, you have inspired young dreamers to pursue their goals with
Wala, yung makeup ko.
Next, certificate of appreciation is presented to Mr. Patrick James and
Okay, so let's start. Let's award these students na nag-excel, no, sa kanilang best creative team. Hopefully, after 4 to 5 years, makita namin na ganyan ang mga kasawakan ninyo.
Sana maging nurse.
Sa may fault, Ma'am Miles and Ma'am Jermaine Joseph. Our top 4 best creative concept
Anong
is none other than JC L. Guevara.
Ano yan?
Next, for our top 3 best creative concept from 12 Joseph, Raviel Nash B. Dizon. For our top 2 best creative concept from 12 Joseph, we have Jasmine
Oh,
E.
diba?
Bautista.
Sabi ko
For our top 1 best creative concept from 12 Joseph, we have Eliza Angel B. Pangilinan.
yung anak!
Let's now proceed with grade 12 Levi.
Ay,
Two, best creative concept.
laging nansa.
Lastly, for top 1
Wala na,
best creative
wala na
concept.
choice. Over sa dila.
Advisors ninyo. Ang nandito is si Ma'am Charmaine lang. So, pakitawag ang advisors.
Standby na po yung mga susunod na section for our teacher opportunity or from opportunity. On behalf of the organizers, we would like to thank everyone who made this event possible. We hope today's program has inspired you to big dream and choose wisely for your future.
Once again, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
God bless everyone. Again po, after po ng photo opportunity, huwag po natin iwan ng gulo or madumi ang covered court. Pakiayos po yung mga upuan, pakibalik po sa mga pinagalingan po nito. And pakiwalis na rin po yung mga halat na nakikita natin sa covered court. Okay, after po
here. Jacob, nandiyan na ba yung advisor nyo?
Sige, ask po tayo sa stage.
Okay, don't give kayo invite. Ito lang.
Na-video yan, na-video yan.
Iba lang sa kabila para hindi sa stage.
Jacob, pag itawag ko si Shua, pag itawag si Sir Paul, ayan na pala. Hi, Sir Paul.
Thank you, everyone! Thank you, Elmar! Go!